Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some chic and stylish ways that you can wear your short hair. So most of the videos within today's video is going to feature bob haircuts. So we're going to see some great styling hair options when it comes to styling your bob. So first up, we have this half up, half down flipped ponytail look. This is a really pretty hairstyle. So it looks like she's blowing her hair out first. And then she's using the flat iron in order to create that flip towards the ends. Now, if you wanted to, you could wear your hair just like that, slicked back. But she's going to be placing her hair into a ponytail at the top portion of her hair. Really cute, simple style. If you have longer hair, you could wear this as a ponytail as well and just flip the ends under. And then she just added the gold bobby pins just for a little accessory. Next up, we have another bob haircut style. So her bob comes to around her shoulders. Looks like she's doing like a crimping motion in order to create some texture to her hair. So I believe she is using a crimping iron for this. You can, of course, use your flat iron. It would take longer. But this is a great way to just add a little bit of texture to your hair and do something different with it. Next up, we have someone else with a shoulder length bob. Looks like she's teasing her hair first for some volume at the roots. Adding in some hairspray for some hold. So it looks like she did like a really cute updo. This is pretty. And once again, this is a style that you can do no matter what your hair length is. So then we see someone with a jaw length bob. That is really pretty the way she curled her hair. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.